Yes, hi everyone. So we are going to see the Linux basic commands. So let us start. I have installed WSL. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to open. We're going to use Ubuntu using command prompt here. We are using WSL, the kernel for Linux in Windows. So Ubuntu is open. So you can see the basic Linux shell here. So let us see what is the present working directory we are in. So we are in environment. So like let us see what is meant by CD command. That is CD is nothing but change directory command. So if we give two dash dots, it goes to the previous directory. So now what ls means that it lists every directories and dictionaries in the present directory. So if you see we have C partition, D partition, if it is listed as a dictionary here. So let us go to F directory because I'm working there. So now we are in F directory. So now let us see about some basic programs in file commands in Linux. So let us create a small we can create a file here now. Touch say file1.txt. So now if you see now uh, file1.txt is created. So now let us try to insert some values in that file1.txt program. So what we can do is that we have a command like echo. Echo is used to insert the name of file or the format here. So echo file.txt. So now let us see the contents of the file. Cat is used to see the cat has a dual function, that is you can use it to see the contents of the file, or also you can use to concatenate the file with another file. So now we'll just open it. See, you can see the name Rozen is inside the file now. So this is a basic function of file. I have already created a file known as sample.txt. You just open that. So sample.txt has the following contents you can see in the screen. So what we can do is that the operations we can do here are like we have first we have the head function, not head command, sorry. So what head does is that it reads the first 10 lines in the order. Actually, the file has lesser than 10 lines, so it'll be reading everything. So we can give the first, for example, if you want to read the first 3 lines, I can give head dash n3 and give sample dot. So it will just return the first three things. So the command which is contrary to this known as tail command. So tail does the same. It reads the last three instead last 10 things from the bottom of the file. So now what it does is that tail, for example, let's tail and file sample dot. So what it does is that it returns the last 5 things. You can see that the last 5 things is the injection is dangerous. So you have seen this operations like now. Let us see some other operations like if you want to make some directory, for example, let's see what are the directories and dictionaries present here. If you see these dictionaries present and directories present. If you want to create a new directory, you can write like mpdir say test. So now if we check it out, we can see that test directory is created. So let us do some operations there. So to change the directory, we give cd test. So now we are inside the test directory. So now let us create some two files. Come touch file.txt file2. Now So insert this into the file. You know, go insert into the file 2.txt. Now let us see the contents of the file now. We see and the contents of the file too will be having XYZ. So now we can concatenate both the files. Let us cat file dot and file dot. See, now if you open so you can see the concatenated version now. But anyway, the thing present in the file doesn't changes. What does it? The output is given as abc expression, and we had to note that the thing inside abc and expression doesn't change. So we can also uh, we can rename them also. We have a CP many commands for that. Now regarding the file, we can also for example, let us go back to the previous directory and just again open the sample.txt we have. So now we can try to find some components of this, like find any specific patterns or something of that sort. For example, we have example like Google is very big. So if you want to search for the term Google, I can give GREF. So this is used to find the patterns in the directory. So pattern grep Google and when I give so what happens is that specific for example, Google is the key, the pattern of the search. The pattern is highlighted in the given sentence. This is the given sentence, the pattern is highlighted. So that as now we have many variations in it. That is grep. For example, I give Google in everything uppercase, and if I give slash I means what happens is that it is now a case insensitive. So what happens is that you will get the same output. Google is even if, for example, you can do the inverse also. Like we can give the previous command we have given here, Google small everything in small cases, and if you have altered the thing in Google as capital G, we could have done that. So, now we can also open the file. For example, we should open cat sample.txt like this. So there are many other ways to open. Also. For example, you can open it like less sample.txt. Now what happens is it has open and there are a lot of many other functions we can do that which I will be discussing in the coming videos. So but if you see that uh, it opens a different page and you had to press Q to exit that. And you can also give some other commands also like so I think that's all that's up with this thing. Let us see something about let us see more about the ls function command. There are many commands like for example ls. What happens is that it gives it lists every information of when the file was created and everything of that sort. There are various other variations of lsl and even lsr is also present. What happens is that lsr returns everything present in the directory. For example, directory is mnt. So everything present in F will be replaced so that we have got this many what given such a sort. When we have given ls dot no, sorry, ls dot ln category space, we can see that system volume information permitted internet. To get the system volume information, we need to get the root access. So, to get the root access, we type in sudo login. So what happens is that yeah, now we log in and we enter the username and password and now we enter there. And now yeah, now we enter. It is now given the root access. Then you can change this. The difference is reflected here and here. This means dollar what I'm asterisk, not asterisk. This symbol represents a root access. So now if we give the same command now, just we give same command as LD total zero. What is it uses is that is else working directory is here home users. This is a different file. So we have a different output for that, but we you don't see any permission denied because we have been given the root access. To come out of this root access, the root level access or administration access, we have to give logout. We are again back to the basics of, I mean, the back to the normal level where we started. So there are some other things also. Like for example, if I want to know about the processor, I can give this. So it gives us everything about the snapshot of the process happening, not the process, about the process. So top will give you the real time processes happening. This is the real time happening process. You can see everything. Next, we can also now. Now, I want to know speak about chmod function. So before that, let us again see the everything. Let us go to the test directory. So we'll go to back to this. Now we are in test directory. So we have two files, that is file txt, file to .txt. Now chmod is used to give some permissions to these files. For example, read write operations, read write or update operations. So for that we give the name or the octal. So there are many other ways to like RW. We can give it as RWX, read write update. But we can also give it in a non-octal form like chmod 7 by 4 file. You can't say anything, but anyway, we can change the administrative right of that. So let us again go back to that. Everything here also. So now, if you want to know the name of the kernel, you can see the name of the kernel here. Uname hyphen slash a gives us the name of the kernel we are using. Yes, we are using Windows, so we have Microsoft kernel here. So even if you see what mount does is that it will say like what are the partitions are available, what are the how the hardware is divided, every partitions, everything, every details is being given. Next, some other these are all internal functions. Apart from this, we have a date function, that is we can see the date, what's the present date now, and time now, and date and time everything. Calendar. I'm so sorry. Yeah, actually, you can install it actually. We will leave that. We will that I think. Okay. Uh, we will leave that for now. I think due to poor internet connection. Okay. I apologize for that. I apologize again. Also, like uptime is. Uh, wait a minute. I made a mistake there. So, uptime gives us like for how much hours and how much minutes it has been up. Every detail is provided there. Then we can also like see I am the user. So the name of the user is being displayed here now. So we also have some many other functions like uh, clear clears the screen and makes it look fresh. Also have the manual here, like manual which gives the description of manual, how to use the commands. We can even use this to the commands. Enter in Q will help us to go back. In each, you can see like how much commands I have been using. Till now I have used 141 commands. Now let us go to some advanced. These are all basic things only. So let us go to some more advanced topic. That would be great, right? So now, if you want to see more about the kernel, like you don't want to know. For when we saw the previous one, we are not able to like. see the accurate details of the kernel, like yeah. So if you see here, it uses the version of the kernel, but it doesn't use the accurate information. We can see the kernel's accurate information, and if you want to see the last login of the user, also you can see that. Like I had logged in at 34. Now I have logged in at 12:13 to record this video. So you can even see that also. Press it, I mean, enter W, you can see who has logged in. So I'm user, everything, how much users are using. Actually, I'm the only user and no other user is using this system. So it shows as 0 users. Now, now we have an advanced version PS something, but it gives a snapshot of the process happening here. We can AEF. We can see the it says like water. It gives the accurate list of every process. If we enter PS, it doesn't give us anything. It just gives us the total thing. It doesn't give like how which users is how much everything. Those information are not given to us. So but yes, AAF is an advanced command, or it's a variation of PS command. That is next. We can also let us now just for some. Let us again open sample.txt. We can see the contents present in the sample.txt. Now I have said that using grep you can try to find some patterns, but we have an extensible grep egrep. What it does is that we can have more amount of pattern comparisons. For example, if I want to find, for example, G, let me see, like, if G has C, you can see like how much number of lines in which the G is recorded. For example, if you count it like one, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just say that in how much words or lines the word G is present. You can count it that way. So now you can also like find inverse case, case in insensitive. It also gives us like it shows us like where all D is present. It ignores the case. The converse to this function is it shows us like so what uh, V does is that it removes everything which doesn't contain the word. That's the usage. For example, blockchain system, the digital computing is not present because the word G is present. So that is the main use of EGRP/P. EGRPG/O gives us the matched parts, like in which how much matched parts are going to be written. Nothing else, the lines will not be written. In slash O slash we will written the everything except everything other than the involved lines, the converse of this. So if you want to see in which a line number you see using slash I think which is slash n. So it gives the in which line which is present. Everything is given there. So that is the use of EGRP. So this is an extensible pattern search command used uh, Linux commands and Unix commands. So now we can also sort the file. Sort the sample.txt. Already the file is sorted, but anyway, it sorts in descending order. If you want to sort in a reverse way, okay, each slash r. What happens now is that it's sorted in the opposite in the reversed way. Now, if I want to again sort in a random way, I can again give it like this. Injection is done. Now the file is sorted in a random way. There is no proper sorting. Anyway, the one thing to notice is that the contents of the file will never change. It's always the same. The output always is. That's a very important thing to remember. So now let us again see some other advanced commands. For example, it teaches the every file space available. You can see how much file space is available in everything. Everything is written here. How much file space, everything is written there. So next is let us see how much. I mean, I'm so sorry. I mean, you says that how much file disk is used. So this much folder directories use this much disk usage, uses this much of disk in the computer. And use nothing but disk usage. So free will give us the amount, like for example the amount of memory free available in the total F directory. So everything will be given here. Now let us again see let us go to the test directory. For example, now we have file.txt. Now we can also zip the file using gzip command. Actually, we have two types of zip. There is rgz and gzip. Let us use gzip now. Now if we see this file is now in a .gzip format. That is, it's a kind of it's now zipped format. Now if we want to extract that, again gzip -t, we have to give the name present. So now if we see, it is now unzipped. So this command /t is used for unzip. So these are all the basic commands we have seen. And now I want to see some advanced command related to networking. So let us see some advanced commands related to networking. ifconfig, it configurations everything. I'm running on Wi-Fi, so it gives every packet errors, everything of that sort. Now, yeah, you can also give some other variations of ifconfig.a. It gives us like everything. How much Ethernet cables are used, if the Ethernet cables are used, everything. How much Wi-Fi packets are being, everything. Advanced details are given there. Now we have another net stat. Net stat is given the status of the internet connection going outside the given system. But since no other computers is being connected, so you can't see anything here. So let us go for NS lookup. NS lookup is nothing but I had to give a URL here. Uh, NS lookup gives what is the server name, server address, non of 32, and everything about the domain name in internet. This is a networking part, so let us also see for our university. For AMAT. We will get the IP address and everything of that sort, server address, everything we are giving. So now we have some advanced comments in next lookup also. Those are interested in networking can see that this is a continuation of the thing we have learned in second semester in basis of information technology essentially. So NS lookup, uh, very good. So what we now is that we look out for email exchange service. For example, Gmail has an email exchange service. Yeah, so we get these are the mail exchanges, the email exchanger services. Now again, we see it for our MIT. The college has, I think our faculties have their email on this domain. Yeah, so you can also see their mail exchanger services. Now, if you want to see the what name server of the domain, you can just give it intro MX. You can give name server. Our the name server of our college domain is the DreamHost. Every domain has a different name server. For example, if Google has, they have their own name servers. So if you want to see the DNS detail, I think everyone will be aware of what DNS means. You have to give equally. Uh, it takes time. Okay, if you want to negate or if you want to stop the command from running, you have to press Control plus C. So now it stopped. So we'll go to the next thing. If you want to see the, I think that's enough. Or let us go for some other. Also, I think there are some few things like if you can give a wrong comment. Yeah, let's leave it this, leave it this. So if you want to put the DNS configuration of the laptop, this is our root service, everything present here in India, so everything is given. So these are the comments. If you want to remove the comments, you dig no comments. Comment section is really removed. So you can just see the root service of the program. So MSG is used to type a message to the people who are this my name to the connected across the. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Message is in. So this means that I can't send the message to the people over the network. I'm so sorry. So it means like I don't have the access to ask the network. So next, about the the variations in free. Free uses the amount of like memory which is free. These are given in bytes. So if you want to key in kilobytes, you can see in given kilobytes. If you want to see in megabytes, you can use slash m. This is in megabytes. If you want to see in gigabytes, you can see which are the everything you can do it for this. And apart from this, there are some lightweight commands like a password. What is this? It generates a random password. So if we again give every time a random password is being generated. So I would update my video with this. Thank you.